Hey everyone, and welcome back to this class, Artificial Intelligence, Reinforcement Learning in Python. Let's assume that our rewards aren't just coin tosses, so we don't just need to store a number of successes and failures. The general method for solving this problem is to use the mean. This works for coin tosses too, since if you add up all the zeros and ones you get, and divide by n, you arrive at the maximum likelihood probability. So how do we calculate the sample mean of a random variable? We know that it's the total sum divided by the number of samples. But what's the problem with this equation? The problem with this equation is that it requires you to store all n elements in order to calculate the mean. Is there a way to make this calculation more efficient? Indeed there is. The trick is, the mean at the nth sample can be calculated from the mean at the n-1th sample. So this equation allows us to calculate the mean in a computationally efficient way. Remember this form of the update equation. It'll be very important throughout the rest of the course.